I think we've got a fault. I think the fault is an error 15, there's an error 19 and an error 22. But what's it really mean? What's it all mean on the Growatt when you get error 15? I'm going to tell you a little bit about error 15. Oh no guys, welcome back to the channel. We've got a fault. What are we going to do? Welcome back to Chuck's DIY. Here's the fault. At the moment we've got fault 15. It's coming up with a 22 as well and a 19. It's having a real hell of a time, and the other one's on fault as well. Okay, so it's 15. It's coming up with 15 on the slave. Do you want to know how to fix it? That and more in this episode of Chuck's DIY. Hey guys, Chuck's back. Just letting you know that I think I've worked out what error 15 has been doing. I had mains coming in, which I'm not running anymore, but I had mains coming in to check it out, and because I had it both, I ended up with error 15. For some reason they wouldn't sync together. Now once I turned off my circuit breaker for the mains externally, the only problem I've got with that is I can't connect to the internet, because I use the internet through my power cable coming down from the shed. That's the reason I left it on. I can charge from both my units at the same time without having the error 15. So this one's producing around about 700 to 750 watts. This one's only producing about 600 watts or just under, and they're charging both my batteries at the moment, so they're getting a good charge up. Now there's going to be more coming with this. I have got some more coming, but I've because of the mail I just haven't got the equipment yet to do it. I'm getting close, and I think you guys are going to be interested in the next 1 or 2 videos I put out, so please watch, please enjoy, and if you need any help with setting up, give me a yell, leave a comment, subscribe if you're feeling impressed. If you're not feeling impressed, that's alright too. But we're now going into we're in autumn at the moment. That's why I've only got 700 on there and that. So 10 kilowatts on the roof, but only drawing just under a kilowatt on both. So 1 kilowatt I'm pulling. So let's do the figures at the worst time of the equinox, which comes up in May, at the end of May in Australia. We have 6 hours, so we'd only get 6 kilowatts of power produced on that day. So that is a problem. So if I could, I'd run another 2 of these, or even a couple of Victrons to run the extra power, because I really need about 20 kilowatts of power to have enough power to run things, and I worked that out myself. So yeah, so thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Catch you on the next one.